Chelsea Roberts introduces this pristinely kept, custom-built 2,523 square foot home that is beautifully landscaped on 0.545 acres in a secluded neighborhood just outside of the city limits of New Braunfels. This is a fully functional floor plan designed and built for wheelchair use, all tile flooring with multiple dining areas, a cozy wood-burning stone fireplace, stainless steel appliances, expansive granite countertop space, and breakfast bar with custom closets. The master suite has a garden bubble tub, ADA-compliant walk-in shower, and massive walk-in closet, in addition to a large study and 3 nice-sized bedrooms with walk-in closets. The conveniently situated laundry room has a half bath and beauty shop sink. Enjoy the breeze and have fun entertaining on the large covered patio. The garden area is fenced off and ready for your green thumb. The subdivision has exclusive access to Lake Dunlap, a meeting area with fireplace and park. It's turnkey ready for move-in. Call Chelsea today.